load from in a Netherlands. Where the grabbers think like alligator pan. Whiskey crack who the we are the weatherman. A boy shoulda drop but the beretta jam. Long time we no kill a man.
Tell me why I'm here and my father is not. I'm exhausted. I'm hungry. You know that's why I was rushing to, because him tell me to cook cabbage and starfish with some wild dumpling and banana. I could have stopped and bought food on the so I have to wait until he gets here. I've been calling him and no answer. I'd love to know where he is. And I checked one of the spots that I thought he would be at and he's not there. So where is he? And why didn't I pass him on the road? Or maybe I didn't, I didn't even realize. But we made it safe and sound, so we give thanks for that. I'm really tired. I don't even have my key with me. That was very smart, Shelby. That was very smart. Don't even have my key. But it is what it is. I'm just gonna chill right here until he gets here. That's crazy. Like I found the key. That's what I came in the car to tell you guys, that I found my key and it opened the door so I can actually go inside. But it's because every time I come here and it's like some little man always a call to me and I just, you know, give him a hello and just go in, or I just don't pay them any mind. So you know, when I called to me a while ago, and you know, he was a pretty persistent, and even I come in here and like I was pretending to be on the phone and him still standing there. So I said, what? And he's like, I'm just asking if you are so-and-so daughter or granddaughter. I said daughter. And he's like, I am related to them, and we just try to remember if it's you or the little girl who used to live here. And he thinks I'm a foreigner. Him think me move out and foreign and just come in. Oh, a puppy. Come here. He's so sweet. Anyways, yeah, he must say he's my cousin and he must tell me everybody who he's related to and all that stuff. And he's like, you know, you're my little cousin. I'm like, okay. Come, Miss Effie, come. Oh, he's so sweet. I want him. But anyways, like all, the dad found her key. Let's go inside. I chose the right bag to take today. I haven't had this bag with me on the road for a while, and today out of all days I said, you know what, I'm going to use that bag, and it's the bag that the key was in. Love that for me. So now I don't have to bother daddy, and we can go in and actually eat the food and all of that wonderful stuff. Yeah. Hey guys, I've just been here chilling. It's 9:51 now. I've been having this stomach ache from yesterday. I don't know what's been going on with me. I don't even have the space. Like, as soon as I eat, I want to use the bathroom, and then I don't want to use the I don't know. So I had Tums earlier. That helped a little bit. I don't want to drink ginger tea right now because I literally just don't have the space to drink it. So Daddy cut a piece of ginger. I said I should just suck on it. It is harsh. It is so harsh, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Muy bien. This is beating the dog. Anyways, I'm not gonna talk to you guys for the rest of the night. I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm actually really tired, so I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Well, is it even morning anymore? I don't even know. I haven't been vlogging for a little bit. Literally, the last thing you guys saw was when I said I was in Portland and I just got home, and I literally didn't vlog anything else after that. I don't like vlogging when I'm in Portland. I just like spending time with my dad. I just like lounging. I just like doing what I have to do there and just keep it off the internet. Like, a lot of people ask me, how do you keep your personal life and your vlogging life separate, you know? And that's how I do it, basically. You know, certain things, if you love it, you don't post it. My family home is very personal to me, and it just gives me an ick. It gives me an ick to post too much when I'm there. On my house, like, you guys can see my backyard because I love my backyard and I'm always gonna vlog in my backyard. But I to show my dad on camera all the time and what me I doing at the house, and no. I'll do that with an apartment or whatever. I can always move. You know, that's my family house. I just don't want to do that, and I just want to keep it private. You know what I'm with it? yeah, I just want to focus on spending time with my dad, you know, bonding and all of that wonderful stuff when I'm there. If you not complain, say I'm not really record much when I'm there, that is, you know, one of the reasons why. Also, I feel like when I'm in Portland, I'm on vacation from everything. I don't vlog, I don't do any work, I don't do anything. So that is why when I go over, I make sure I have nothing to do, or sometimes it's a breather. It's to take a break from my responsibilities. Hey, it's facts. It's facts. As you can see, I am back in Kingston, and this morning I woke up. Well, actually, for the past couple of days, even when I was in Portland, I have been in a funk. I'm not really understanding why. Yeah, I don't really know, because I'm not PMSing. I cannot blame it on PMS this time. You know, when you wake up and you say to yourself, because one, I'm sorry if I'm all over the place, but one, I was not ready to leave Portland yet. I didn't want to leave at all. I wanted to spend like 5 days there, but Shanita had her baby shower. Yes, baby shower on Sunday, so I came back on Sunday and went to that. When I tell you that there were just so many signs showing me that I should not leave Portland, but I did it anyways. First thing is first, I guess this is the time where I officially say I have a car. I have a car! Yeah, I have a car. I don't know, the car is a fishbowl in a tint. We'll get into the car topic soon, but yeah, I have a car. Tell me why I'm leaving Portland and it's drizzling a little bit. I didn't want to drive in the rain to the junction. I just don't want to drive in the rain for 2 hours. You understand? So in my head, I'm like, didn't want this to reach me. But you know, it was like on and off. Then I cruise, you know, on my seatbelt, everything is in check. Police stopped me. What I should have done was drove off. You know, I should have drove off. But I said to myself, Shelby, the Lord likes to use you as an example. So next thing you know, police go stop me and me drive off and swerve around him and go where me go, and then them jump on the bike and run me down. I didn't want that. Imagine me stop, pull over, and I reversed. Yeah, y'all are probably saying, why would you do all of that? Should just drive on, but you know, I did it. Long story short, I didn't know that my fitness expired. I did not know that my fitness expired. When I got the car, the fitness was already done. And I never really made that. I didn't realize that the fitness would have expired from August. So I've been driving around with no valid fitness. I mean, I believe in a bribing police. I don't like police. I don't like police, none at all. I don't flirt with them. I'm not in a long chatting with them. I hate them. I'm sorry. I don't care. Sorry, not sorry, actually. So yeah, then talk to me, and I was just very abrupt with my responses. It's not like me give attitude or anything, but I don't have nothing to say to you. Like, if you write the ticket, just write the ticket. If you beg me a thing. Like, it's so simple. Don't be annoying me and trying to prolong argument and I give my attitude and whatever. Here is your ticket. I'm not chatting with you. You already write the ticket. Just give me the ticket and leave me alone. And I tell you, I broke down immediately. I was just so irritated because I said, one, I already never want to leave. I was cleaning and doing a bag of things in Portland, and I was exhausted, and I was just very mentally and physically overwhelmed. I felt very overstimulated, all them something there. Then knowing me I drive, I'm seeing the rain. Then I already know I'm late for the baby shower. I just never want to go because I was feeling all of these things, but obviously you know me I go. Then now the police gonna stop me, and then there's a $50 back. I was just so upset with everything that was going on. When me tell you, me a ball and me a driving and me a feel wipe my tears every minute because again I'm driving in a fishbowl and people can see me. And then on top of it, there was so much traffic on the road, and I was like, it's a Sunday. It's literally a day before a holiday. What is going on? There's not normally traffic in this area. So, you know, I'm just a drive. This person makes a sudden stop in front of me. In the front seat, I have my bag. My little handbag with my laptop, my camera, etc. is on the front seat. Because of the sudden stop that guy made, I also had to make a sudden stop. You know, my bag fly to the front with my laptop, my camera, everything that showed. And I'm just like, God, why I do this right now? Like, why are you doing this right now? I literally just started ball again, and I'm like, bro, what is going on? I had to just slow down the driving because at one point, like, I start speed and I said, no, it is a bad day, not necessarily a bad life. Now I'm gonna do nothing reckless and cause myself to crash. I just started taking my little time. I decided I wasn't gonna rush anymore. Anytime I reach the baby shower, I just didn't tend to reach, man, I go rush. Especially the road wet. It started, you know, raining a little bit harder, but then it stopped eventually. The road was just wet, so it never really rained until I got to Kingston. When I got to Kingston, it started pouring. Then I had to go home and change, go to baby shower. Baby shower did basically like rain out, so we had to wait like 2 hours or so. I wasn't even late because people came after me because of the whole rain situation. So it was just not a great day. And you know, I never really in a no mood for socialize and all them stuff. But again, of course, I was gonna go. So yeah, that was just wow. It was a lot. And yesterday, what happened yesterday? Young man had somewhere to play at an event, so I went to them. Come back. And you know, I'm okay, but I'm still in my funk a little bit. So this morning now, and I don't know why, as of recently, it's been on my mind more. Like, ever just sit down and look at your life and you're just thinking about everything. I'm so sorry if I'm yapping too much, but I just have to talk. You know, when you're sitting down and you just amidst everything and you're like, what am I doing with my life? I feel like I should be further in life. I don't know how this conversation go already. You start thinking about your parents. You start thinking that, you know, they're getting older and you know what gonna happen. You just start coming up with hypothetical situations and my imagination runs very wild. I literally will sit down sometimes and it's like a daydream, but I don't call it a daydream, I call it a daymare, because it's like a nightmare but in the day. Enough time we'll think, say, what may I go do if my friend them dead, or what may I go do, God forbid, if you know my father dead. Like, I literally just can't imagine my life without my father. I cannot imagine. Like, may I think about it now and I'm literally getting teary-eyed. I don't want to think about it. And best believe, guys, if you ever see me come on the internet come ball ever, it's literally because somebody died. That's going to be the only reason why I ever get up on this internet and ball living here water. So if you ever see it, I don't know if them something cause it. But yeah, I'm just thinking, and I'm like, this is just one thing I hate about getting older, because you know, other people around you are also getting older and tomorrow is not promised. You just never know what is going to happen. God forbid me go before my father. Can you imagine that? Like, I do not want to ever put any of that out in the universe at all, but just I say, it's just reality. Sometimes you think of these things, and I just got so down in the dumps. I had a whole mental breakdown. Woo! Not my voice cracking. Not my voice. Where are all these emotions coming from? Thinking about all of that, and of course, you know, it prompted me to send him a heartfelt message, and it just so happens that he called me right afterwards, and he's like, I was literally just thinking the same thing. And he's like, we're so in sync. That's my tweet for real. But yeah, I just wish I could do more sometimes, and may I try. Trying to navigate my way through this whole adulthood, adulting, and it's hard. It is very hard. I don't know why people feel like we should just have it all figured out. Some of us don't. I can't speak for anybody else. Probably other people have it. I don't. And it's very hard when you basically kind of do it alone. I cannot depend on other people to pick up my slack, or I can only be there for you to a certain extent. So yeah, I'm really up on my own. I don't have no bag of family. I don't have that. It's just me and my dad. Yeah, I was having a very not so great morning because I've just been thinking about that. At one point my head started hurting me, my belly started hurting me, and I just didn't even know what to do with the rest of my day. I literally have promo to do, like promo work to do, and I'm just not in the frame of mind to do any of it, which means I have to just reach out to the company and make them know, so listen, I don't soon get it. My brain are there, and if my brain is not here, the content is not gonna be done properly. But it's like at the same time, you have to get your head in the game, girl, because dollars on the line. Yeah, I'm so sorry for ranting so much. So sorry. So sorry. But yeah, that's basically what's going on. I haven't eaten yet. I have been trying to decide what to eat, if I want to eat, you know, make a special omelette, or what else? What else can I eat? What is in that bowl? Do I even want to know what is in that bowl right now? You know, I feel like it's leftover chicken that I never cooked. I know it probably not even good again. So I'm not gonna pay that no man. But what can I make? How many eggs are left? Okay, enough eggs are here. I literally just might make. Ooh, or I've been thinking about mackerel rundown. Problem is, I have the regular mackerel, the red one. I don't really know how that's gonna work with coconut milk and stuff because I have some green bananas. I brought over banana from Portland. I'm thinking of boiling some banana, make some dumpling. Or do I want that for dinner? I think I might do that for dinner. I know, something light. Because I don't have any saltfish, because I would make saltfish rundown. But I don't have any saltfish right now. And I'm not gonna go on the road to buy that. I could just make do with what I have. I don't want any more rice. I've had enough rice for the past like 2 weeks. And I don't really want any more potato. Well, I'll have potato on the side, but not as like a main side. Yeah, side for the side. I don't understand what I mean. Yeah. Low key, I also really like doing daily vlogs or 48 hours in my life versus weekly vlogs. Enough more chatting still, but I just said, God, just one of them thing there. You understand? Another thing, I'm really looking to get this camera, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I really want it. I am tired of walking around this big ass camera. These are cases for it, and this is like a suction cup, so when I want to vlog in the car or probably stick it onto a mirror if I'm in the bathroom, stuff like that, I'm going to save towards it because the total is what, it's $712. Call it 8 bills. I forgot to save, but I don't have it. But if you want good, you know it's have to run, right, Louise? Right. I want to watch the ads. Watch the ads so I can be able to afford a new camera. You know what I'm saying? Come on, this one is way too big. Like sometimes when I'm out on the road, this is exactly why you guys don't get as many vlogs, because it's just too big, heavy and bulky, and I can't fit into my bags. I can't do this, can't do that. Ugh. Anyways, I'm gonna make some French toast and scrambled eggs. That is what I decided on. What are the eggs? Oh, I literally just looked on Pinterest to see, you know, give me some breakfast ideas. Am I gonna use 2 eggs? Yes, I will have to use 2 eggs. Let me put you guys down somewhere. Sugar, butter, egg, bowl. I don't remember how I do this. How do I do this? See, this is why I need to look at camera, because at least it would be following by now, and y'all would have already been seeing down here. So now I gotta move the camera. I literally have one around my neck right now because I just want to show you what's in front of me. We're gonna see if the milk is spoiled or not. So, oh no, that's nasty. That is, oh no, that is spoiled. All right, we have a brand new one now. So yeah, we're gonna use that. And you see, guys, this is exactly why I buy, or I advise him to get these small ones in case they've spoiled. It's not a lot of waste. Can you imagine if it was a big box and that it's spoiled? Waste of milk. Yeah, that me talk about. This is how I make it, okay? Sometimes I don't add the milk. Sometimes I just do the egg and the sugar. I don't have no cinnamon. I don't really like cinnamon anyway, so we're not gonna add that. All right, so now 1 slice of the bread in there. Low-key, I feel like I should not have put so much milk in there, but me brought it. Me know so one piece of shell. And I normally like using brown bread for this, but anyways, like I said, go. Guys, tell me why I totally forgot to put vanilla in there. I forgot that I normally put vanilla in there. Oh my god, it burned. It burned up! Oh, Jesus, it burned up. You know what? I don't care. I'm gonna eat it anyways. The 2 little seconds, but take my eye off it. For put the next bread. This is why you stick to the evil way, you know. This is why when you cook, you just cook. Don't pay anything else any mind. And that's why I say I cannot stand having this camera sometimes because why do that? Focus on making sure the camera not dropping off. Anyways, no matter me still make I eat it. I don't care. Realistic day in my life. I have not had a kitchen fail like that in a very long time. So I'm not even upset. I'm not even upset that that happened. I have become a chef in the kitchen, so it is what it is. My old place where I was before this, I used to make this all the time. So this failing hurt my heart. Tastes good. Why do I burn up? I could have put more sugar in that. Let me turn down the fire on this one because I'm gonna different. You know how long the bread I buy? Well, it hasn't been that long, but the fact that that was the first time any of the slices have been used. I actually like to put pancake syrup on it too, so yeah. I took my eye off of you for a second. Are the sugar in them? Yeah, no, this looks better. This looks more like it, you know? And I think, as I say, I think it's because it's white bread why it'll be so. Let me go get my syrup and my cheese and my bread and my tea to make my scrambled egg. What did I say I was coming for again? Syrup, right. This is okay. This is for the scrambled egg. This is for the French toast because I like it. You know what I want to buy? I want to buy some powdered sugar, like the white sugar. So whenever I'm doing my pancakes or my French toast, I can like drizzle a little bit on top and then put a little tiny slice of butter on top. Chef's kiss. I want to start getting into plating as well, like plating my food well. I need that to know. Why is everything... You're retarded? Everything's so difficult this morning. Got the same bowl. Alright. Egg, milk, heat, black pepper. If we move fast, because I understand what's going on, A little salt. Just a little, girl, just a little, because I know how your hand likes to get. And now I'm gonna add the cheese. I'm not gonna add too much this time because I'm feeling a little bit sweet this morning. So pancake syrup and the French toast with the sugar and the rain and the tea. Listen, if you make French toast another way without the sugar, that's on you. You just make it with egg and cinnamon. Or I don't know how to make it, but this is how, well, I don't think this is how I make it, quite frankly, because something alright. I really don't think I used milk when I used to make it. Or even if I did, not that much. And come on, my little eggs. Make something shake. Like one thing, I cannot spoil scrambled eggs. Like if you spoil scrambled eggs, come out the kitchen. This is me talking as if I've never spoiled scrambled eggs before. I've spoiled scrambled eggs before. Like one time I had just one egg left and I'm gonna fuck myself and put way too much sugar, way too much milk, and it was extremely watery. But guess who's still gonna eat it the same way? Me. I make nothing waste, nothing that way. Yo, and I don't like my scrambled eggs like extremely dried out. It has to have a little bit of, you know, lightness to it, a little bit of, I don't want to say wetness, because I don't like when eggs are wet, but me hate when an egg dry out. I absolutely hate it. And I hate when it's too mashed out either. You know like how some people eat ackee and saltfish and they mash out the ackee? You're disgusting. If you mash out ackee, something wrong with you. Ackee is supposed to stay in its true form. However, you see the ackee on the tree, when I take out the little black seed, that's how it's supposed to stay in the pot. And that's why people over foreign feel like ackee is eggs. It's scrambled eggs. Because why don't mash it out like that? Stop it, man. That's me. Bon appetit. Not the most appealing looking thing, but I'm gonna show it anyways. Ta-da! And I'm gonna pour my syrup. Not too much though. And yes, I'm a person that likes syrup on my eggs as well. Yesterday I had, what is that word? An epiphany? Would you say an epiphany? Anyways, I remembered why I used to drink so much water back in the day and I was keeping up with drinking a good amount of water. It's because I had a straw. I had this favorite cup, right? I got it when I was at UTech, and basically whenever anything cold went in the cup, the color would change. It would turn pink. and if it's anything hot or room temp, it would just stay clear. Young man teeth it one day, carry it down yard, put ice in it, put it in the freezer, the cup burst. My life has not been the same since. And yesterday, when I was extremely tired and I was laying down and he was giving me some water to drink and I couldn't get up, I was like, pass a straw. And I just laid there and I drank through the straw, drank the water through the straw, and it literally all just came back to me that, listen, this was the reason why I was keeping up with drinking water. I realized I just not like turn things on my head. That's why I don't drink enough fluids throughout the day. I started having a straw with my water again, and I can't tell you how much time from morning I drink water and how much time I go bathroom already. But yeah, let me taste this first. Muy bien. Oh, those eggs are good. Yeah, that second French toast was better than the first one. So, you know, you always save the best for last, so maybe eat the bun up one first. I will really and truly not eat the bun up in. It look burnt, but it doesn't taste burnt. So, thanks be to God. Anyways, I'm gonna go eat this and watch a YouTube video, catch up on some of my faves, and I'll talk back to you guys. Because the dad is starting to sweat, I'm gonna really sweat. So, you know something wrong. If that took me 3 minutes, I'd be lying. I tell you, I finished that food so fast. It's embarrassing. Even your hungry belly, with a belly is like you've never seen food. You vacuumed that plate up. That's terrible. Oh yeah, my dad gave me this tape measure because I believe in measuring things in girl math. Let me show you an example. So, say you have this wall, right? On this wall, and instead of being smart and taking out, you know, a measuring tape, I'll go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 2.5, or I'll do something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is like 11 and little. So it's because it's at my joint right here. I'll remember that. So I'll remember 11 of these, but the last one never really make it fully, so it stopped there. So it makes sense, okay? It makes sense. And guess what? My measurements doing girl math has never been off. It's not by much. But yeah, at least I have a tape measure now, so I can measure the stuff correctly because I still have no curtains. I measured it obviously with my arms and stuff, but I decided to try and use my phone instead. And the phone is actually almost accurate. So you just go in your extras, right, and you click on measure, and there's this thing where you press it, you put it to a point. Let me see if I can do it. For example, I want to measure from the edge of the window up here, so I will literally press that and draw it across to the edge right there, and it's going to measure and tell me. See, just take a screenshot of it, and it says that is 3 feet and 7 inches. So it's, why the hell is my camera not focusing? Yeah, I think I will talk back to you guys later because I don't really have anything else to say. I just need to unwind and chill for the rest of the day because I don't talk to them. I need to cool down. I'm hot.